same that polymorphism topic. Polymorphism is the Greek word. It is ability to more than take a longer form. It's called as a polymorphism. It is divided to polymorphism is divided into two. There's a poly, it's a many. The morphism is a form. It can be process of it can be able to take more than one form. That is called as a polymorphism. Okay, there is a there is a, we have to take many forms. It will be as a act as a polymorphism. There is a two types of polymorphism. One is a compile time polymorphism and the one time polymorphism. There's a compile time polymorphism and current time polymorphism. We have to further divide it into the runtime polymorphism is a method overloading and virtual function. Compile time polymorphism is a method overloading. The compile time polymorphism, it executes that compile time and then it will be as a method overloading. Then method overloading is a same method name. We have to use the different arguments. That is different arguments mean we have to parameters like as a integer, float, like a string, character. These are all the types we have to use it for send as a arguments. That is called as a parameter passing and also it will be as a method overloading. It method name is the same but different type of parameters we have to use it. That's also one of the compile time polymorphism method overloading. In that method overloading example, that's shape is one of the class and then it will be having that area is a method. That area method having that all the subclasses. Okay, like as a circle having that area of circle, then triangle also having that area of triangle, rectangle also having that area of rectangle. These are all the having same method name and different parameter. Like this, different parameter we have to integer, one integer or two integers, three integers. Like I say, it will be come. Then next is the runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism, it will be code executed by runtime. It is divided by two types, virtual function and method overriding. Method overriding. So what is the difference between overriding and writing? This overriding also same method name. Overloading also same method names. Okay, there is a different different method we have to use it. It is the same name. And overriding also we have to use it that same name. In that here method overriding is the same parameter we have to use it. Same parameter, same method name and also same parameters. And that overloading we have to use it method name and different type of parameters. It is used only same class. Overloading is used in same class. Overriding is in different classes. You have to use in the different classes. In that parent class and the child class, we have to use it. It will be runtime, compile time polymorphism method overloading. The method overriding is a runtime polymorphism. This is an example for method overloading. Here, this is a void function. Is a one of the function is a method is that int a comma int b. Okay, and then one more function is a void function fen, and then there is a two parameter float a comma float b. Okay, there is a same function name in that void function int a comma int b, and also here function of a float a comma float b. Okay, there is a two method is there, but same method name, but different parameters. Okay, like this it will be as a function method overloading or function overloading. You can in that void main. Okay, in that void main we have to create ex. Ex e is the object and then equal to new ex of. Then e dot function of 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5 means we have to send that integer value. It will be mapped with the integer method definition. And then e dot function 2.5f and then 3.7f. That is a floating point value. That is a floating point value mapped with the floating methods. That will be as a call. Then it will be calculate that area. What is the value present that a equal to that value, then b equal to that value. It will be printed. That is a simple example for method overloading. Next is a area calculator for method overloading. Using method overloading. That is also here area is a common method name. There is a area double area and then double area for that double length and double width. There is a side is that okay. We have to return the area of square and then the area of rectangle having that length and width. Then area of circle that only radius. There is a floating point value. And that will we have to calculate with the help of the parameter and then we have to send that parameter single parameter and then two parameter double value and then one parameter float value. There is a different parameters so that it is called as a method overloading. So method, what's the method overriding? There is a same method name in that parent class and child class. Okay, it is a here function. It is a function is there, and then extend to B class. B class extend the function, void function. There is a different class. Okay, there is a extend from that base class to derived class. There is a void function that will be we use that method void function. We have to use it at class B so that we have to create the class method. We have to a equal to a dot a of b dot b equal to new b of. Okay, we have to function call that function a dot function then b dot function. Okay, that it will be called. And then we have to get that value from class A, class B. That will be getting. There is a overriding. There is a different classes and then same function name and also same parameter. That's called a method overriding. Thank you.